Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena.
It's Elias.
So today we are going to be doing a full
MUKBANG.
I am so excited to do this. You guys know how much I love food. We both love food. I know you guys also love food. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying food from different countries. So right here we have Saudi Arabia. Here we have Egypt, Palestine.
Right here we have Syria, Sudan, Lebanon, and Ethiopia.
Yes. We've got our pita bread ready right here.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Yeah, this is what pita bread looks like.
It's covering my face.
This is what you should eat it with, is pita bread.
What is that? It's powdered.
Yeah, that's how it is.
That's how it is?
Yeah. You've never seen pita bread before?
I've seen a lot, but I never seen like powdered.
Before we start, I'm gonna pour some oil because that's what the instructions said.
Oh, for all of them?
Yeah.
Including
except
the
for
Ethiopian?
except for the Ethiopia.
Yeah.
So
we have our own recipe, so we don't need any extra, oil.
So this is just a little bit of sesame seed oil going on the top.
Is that for food only? Or you can use for any kind of...
Sesame seed?
Yeah.
You can use it for food,
Any
for
food.
your hair. Oh yeah, anything. Any food.
Yeah, somebody told you, right? To use this.
Yeah, you guys told me in my last food video to use sesame oil instead of olive oil. Alright, so I'm gonna let you pick one. Which one do you want to try first?
Oh my god, what is that? The smell?
That's the smell of the sesame oil. It's kind of strong. How about we start off with the Saudi Arabia?
The Saudi Arabia?
Close to you.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you guys what's in here. So in the Saudi Arabian food, they have water, salt, sunflower oil, lemon juice, tomato paste, spices, and that's it. So let's taste the Saudi Arabia one.
Okay.
It's interesting. There's a
Water,
couple
salt,
things in there that
sunflowers.
I don't normally use. So Saudi Arabia, I don't know. It's nice and warm too. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I mean, it doesn't have any taste.
That's a no for me.
I mean,
That's a no for me.
it's just like, it doesn't have any taste from me, It is like the beans by itself.
I'm getting like a sweet taste. That's what's throwing me off. Okay, so next let's try Egypt.
Hold on, let me try one more time.
Okay. Let me try it one more time. Let me give it a fair shot.
Yeah, you know what?
Oops.
When you tried the first time, always, you don't like the food. When I tried the first time the Sudanese food, I didn't like it because our tongue is not used to it.
Next, we're gonna try Egypt. So Egypt has, of course, fava beans, water, sunflower oil, salt, sugar,
Ooh,
cumin,
I don't like sweet things.
and citric acid, chili. Yeah. I like this. Oh, I get that chili at the end. It is a little spicy. I like it.
I like the Saudi one better than this one, yeah.
I like Egypt better. Alright, try one more. What do you taste from the Egypt one?
I don't know, it's like a weird taste.
Really?
Yeah, this one is better for me. Don't get me wrong, I'm trying the first time all of these foods, and this is not our, culture.
Okay, so next we have Palestine. So Palestine, we have... Oh, okay, this has chickpeas. So this has fava beans. It has chickpeas in it. Chickpeas is shiro.
Sure, yeah.
Fava beans, chickpeas, water, olive oil, salt, sugar, citric acid, cumin, garlic, chili. That's a lot. That is a lot. Let's try this. Okay. Chickpeas. That's interesting.
Why they don't smash it?
Yeah, so Palestine, a few of these, and Lebanon,
yeah.
Those are not smashed. That's how it came. While the other ones, they came smashed from the can that we used.
Oh, look at the Lebanon.
Yeah,
they don't do nothing at all.
They didn't.
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's go, Palestine.
Let's go, Palestine.
Okay, I'm having high hopes for you because it has chickpeas in here. Oh gosh.
This one is close to the Sudanese. They have like almost the same taste.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know if I like it or not. You know what? To be honest, I feel like this kind of messed it up. I'm tasting this oil. Let me try another bite. Let's try another one. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I like the Palestine one the best so far. This one is beating the other two for
How
me.
much you gonna give out of 10? The Palestinian.
7.
What about the
I
7?
could eat that. That is like a 4.
What about Egypt?
6.
I'll give 4. I'll give 4.
Why are
This
you
one
hating
is
on
good.
Egypt? No,
It's
I'm just
not.
kidding. I'm
It
just
is not
kidding.
about, hating. It doesn't have nothing to do with the countries.
It's
It is
just-
about our taste,
I know.
Yeah.
We're just joking. Which one do you want to do next, babe?
I would like to try the Syria.
Syria.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is the
Why
one.
it's so white?
Yeah, it looks the most different. It's
Yeah.
very light skinned over
What
there.
did they put in it?
So this one has peeled fava beans, water, tomato, sunflower oil, salt, sugar, and cumin. Maybe the tomato? I don't know why it came that light. Maybe
Yeah,
peeled?
They use tomato. How?
Maybe because the fava beans are peeled. And the other ones it says it doesn't say
The
peeled.
fava bean.
Yeah, like they peeled the outside layer.
Outside layer, yeah.
Maybe that's why.
Mm.
It looks good though. Let's try it. Syria.
Come on, Syria.
Come on, come on. That texture is too mushy for me.
Too mushy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what do you give that one?
4, 5.
5.
Yeah. Let me try one more time.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Not good either.
But not good either. For the first time when you try the Ethiopian food, you couldn't even eat, right? The injera, it was like sour.
Is this the same as the food that you remember? The Syrian food?
Yeah. Nah, it's a
No?
little bit different. Yeah. It was good. I mean,
It's not bad. The more I eat it, the more I do.
yeah.
I would give this a straight 5. Yeah. Okay. All right. Got the coldest water bottle, guys. It's so good. It keeps your water cold for like 3 days, up to 3 days. We have a code.
Are you gonna hit me?
Sorry. You can use our code COLDESTDAY to get free shipping. The link is down below. I swear this makes the water taste better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's so
because,
good.
Yeah, it's keep fresh.
Mm-hmm.
It's keep cold for 3 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang, baby, drank all this water.
So I did.
It's empty. Okay. Next. Which one are we doing?
I think the next is
Lebanese, Sudan. Okay, my country. You never disappoint.
Mm.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. You know it's good when the food starts making you dance.
Lebanese Sudan.
What do you give it out of 10?
I'll give 9.
10 out of 10.
It's good.
Lebanon, you're next. Not gonna lie, Lebanon, you look kind of scary because you're not mushed up at all. But let's see what's inside. So, Lebanon, we have fava beans and chickpeas. We have water, olive oil, salt, sugar, citric acid, and garlic. Sounds good. Sounds like most of the normal stuff that they put. You need bread?
Yeah. Why you giving me a small piece?
That's how I eat it. I gave him this piece of bread.
Am I a kid?
Alright, Lebanon. Lebanon.
Yeah. If they
Pick it
smashed a little bit, it would be, better. It's good.
You sure about that?
Not wrong.
Very similar to Palestine.
Palestine. Yeah. Okay. What is next?
Last but not least, Ethiopia.
I got it.
So in Ethiopia, we have tomatoes, we have parsley, we have onions, we have chili.
Yeah, we
We
don't.
have fava beans, we have everything in the kitchen. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
A lot though.
And I love the Ethiopian food because, in Ethiopia, we love spicy.
Yeah, it's kind of cut off. Here, let me show them. This is Ethiopia.
You
So
can put
we get like one little bit of onion, tomato.
yeah. Have a little bit barbary.
Because the plate is so small.
But we're not, a good cooker. I cooked this.
Let's try it.
This is the Ethiopian food,
Oh my god.
Spicy, right?
Yes!
Yeah, I know. I love it.
It's spicy. It's just doing too much. That's my thing. It doesn't taste like food anymore.
It is food.
It doesn't taste like food. It tastes like salad.
It's not salad.
It tastes like a salad.
And it's so delicious.
I'm gonna try Saudi Arabia again just because this is the one that like threw me off. Maybe let me give it another chance. This is the one that's so different. Yeah, I'm good with that. What are your top 3 countries, Elias?
The 3 top countries.
By the way, this is Saudi Arabia and Yemen. That's what the can says.
Oh, Saudi Arabia and Yemen. So the same thing.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, they don't have a Yemen by itself. What were
My
the
top 3 for sure would be Sudan.
Of course.
I think Sudan makes the best food. Egypt and Palestine. I really like the Palestine food. Surprised me. It's really good.
For me, the 3 top country is, of course, Ethiopia and Sudan right here, and also Palestine.
Okay.
Or Saudi Arabia, but it's gonna be Palestine.
Really?
It's almost close to, the Sudanese.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what I know the taste.
So since you already picked Sudan, then Saudi Arabia would be?
Yeah, Saudi Arabia would be, of course.
So you like that one. Which 2 are your bottom 2?
Right here, the Egypt.
That was one of my favorites.
I'm sorry. Are you kidding me? Yeah, this one, the Egypt one, and Syria.
Aww.
Yeah. I'm really sorry to say that.
Aww.
Yeah.
Let me taste Egypt again after you gave it the low rating.
The weirdest taste for me is even I don't like the
smell.
Yeah.
I changed my mind.
Yeah.
Egypt is giving me like, it starts off tasting good, but then at the end it has like a weird, like almost lemony taste. That's what I'm getting. The worst one, listen, if you're from this country, I apologize. The worst one, Syria. The flavor and the texture, it's so mushy to the point where it's just like...
For the baby food.
Baby food.
Yeah. What do you recommend for the people who have never tried the food?
So if you never tried food ever in your life, definitely give it a try. I know what it looks like, okay? We can get the joke out of the way. It doesn't look that appetizing. However, it's very delicious. It's very healthy. It's beans, basically. It's fava beans.
Yeah.
And just different countries prepare it in different ways. Some is more salty, some is sweet, some add things. But definitely try it out. It's a staple. It's a staple food in the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and Africa. So I would say definitely try it out. But the best thing to do is to get the plain food and add your own seasonings.
Get the plain food and add your own.
Yep. Yeah. In general, I would just recommend people to try other countries' food. The first time when you try something, you most likely won't like it just because it's new. Yeah. It's a new flavor for you. Just like the first time I tried injera, I was like, oh no, sour. But now look at me. Now I love injera. So the first time you try anything, it's always different. The more you eat, the more you'll adapt to it. And I think it's important to try different things, different food, different, outside of food as well, but especially with food. I'm pretty open with most food. There's not anything that I don't like besides just pork. We both don't eat pork, but there's not a one food that I'm like, I hate that. I can eat most things. Okay. What about you?
Oh, I'm so picky.
Yeah, never mind.
Yeah, I don't like most of the food, especially for real, yeah. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave the comment down below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.